This is the weekly weather forecast video for Monday, August the 15th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see some cloudiness over the plain states with some showers and thunderstorms in that location. Some showers and thunderstorms also in the middle Atlantic and northeast with a cold front in that area, and the monsoon continues over the desert southwest. Here's the watch warning map from just before midnight. Some severe weather warnings over the northern plain states and into the northern Rockies. Some flooding issues over the middle Atlantic and into the northeast where there's been some heavy rainfall in that area. Otherwise, the rest of the nation is quiet. QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Friday evening at 7 o'clock, shows the heaviest amount of rain will be over New England, where upwards of 2.5 inches of rain are possible. In Iowa, rainfall amounts from 1/4 to 1 inch with some isolated heavier totals. Here's the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 1 p.m. today. You can see a trough over the eastern part of the country, a ridge over the central and western part of the country with a bit of a trough over the Pacific Northwest. With that, there could be some scattered showers and storms just to the west of the state, maybe moving into the western part of the state late in the afternoon and into the evening. Otherwise, it'll remain partly to mostly sunny. Tuesday, same story, mainly some showers and storms, mainly over areas along and west of Interstate 35. Otherwise, it'll be partly to mostly sunny with highs in the low 80s. Wednesday, cold front will be moving through the state. Likely a Tuesday night into Wednesday morning and early afternoon event with some showers and thunderstorms at that time, with high pressure moving in late in the day. Thursday will be picture perfect. Sunny to mostly sunny skies, highs in the lower 80s, with decreasing humidities, so a wonderful day to go to the state fair. Friday, moisture begins to move back into the state once more. Maybe an isolated shot at a shower or storm, mainly over the west. Otherwise, it'll be partly to mostly sunny. Saturday, same story. Pretty decent chance there could be some showers and storms. This will likely be a Friday night through Saturday event. And we head off into Sunday. There still could be some isolated showers, mainly over the eastern part of the state. Otherwise, skies will be clearing with highs a few degrees either side of 80, which will be seasonal. We head to a week from today, the 22nd. You can see a fast moving flow west to east across the U.S.-Canadian border with a bit of a ridge over the southern part of the country. And with that, we could see another cold front moving in at that time a week from today, and that could bring some more showers and thunderstorms at that time, with some moisture coming in from the Gulf of Mexico. This will be desperately needed. We head off further into Voodoo. Here's August the 26th. See a trough over the Great Lakes and Northeast with a bit of a ridge over the Plain States, and another trough over the Pacific Northwest. With that, high pressure moving in over the Twin Cities, keeping a lot of the moisture over the deep south and the eastern seaboard. And there's a tropical system way off in the far left right-hand corner. And at the end of the forecast, August the 30th, ridge over the desert southwest and into California. Big trough over the northeast with that big vortex just off the coast, and that looks like a tropical system. If this pans out, that could be a very decent tropical system that's in the middle of a recurve. We'll see how that pans out. Now time for the weekly weather forecast. Thank you for tuning in to the weekly weather forecast video. We'll have our regular one tomorrow.